Have you ever seen something so big that it feels impossible to ignore? That's exactly the idea behind today's word, mammoth. This powerful word is often used when something is not just large, but unbelievably large. Meaning and definition of mammoth. The word mammoth means extremely large in size, amount, or importance. It comes from the prehistoric mammoth, a giant elephant-like animal that lived thousands of years ago. Because those animals were massive, the word later began to describe anything huge. Pronunciation and part of speech. Mammoth is pronounced as the mame theta. It can be used as a noun, the prehistoric animal, and an adjective, to describe something very large. Mammoth as a noun. As a noun, mammoth refers to the extinct animal. Example, scientists discovered a frozen mammoth in the Arctic ice. Mammoth as an adjective. As an adjective, mammoth describes size or scale. Example, building the bridge was a mammoth task that took years. Mammoth synonyms. Some common synonyms of mammoth include huge, enormous, gigantic, massive, colossal. Example, she faced a gigantic challenge on her first day at work. Mammoth antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. For mammoth, they include tiny, small, miniature, little. Example, they moved from a mammoth house to a tiny apartment. Everyday example sentences. Cleaning the entire office alone felt like a mammoth job. The company made a mammoth profit this year. Organizing the festival was a mammoth effort, but it was worth it. Why this word matters. Mammoth is a strong, expressive word that adds impact to your English. Instead of saying very big, using mammoth makes your speech and writing sound more advanced and confident. Keep learning powerful words like this with Thesaurus Thrive.